For this huge snow and ice storm, I'm gonna build this house thing and see how well it can hold up in all this snow and ice. So let's get to building. Okay, yep. And I call that the dome house because it really looks like a dome. And it's pretty cool, isn't it? Especially when I made it by myself in just in Blender. I didn't know I had skills like those until I did that, and I discovered Blender's very easy than the way I was trying to build houses. So goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys comment me something, like comment an idea for me to like print something or try to build it, I might try to build it. Yep. And also, it's very good. And if you subscribe, every time someone subscribes, until I like get to like 25 subscribers, I has to print something. So, or print something you recommend if I think it's good. So, good luck and enjoy printing.